Radio's on. This battery's a biggin'. It's a biggin'. All right, gonna go for it. So this spot's pretty wooded. A lot of trees. Whoa! Scraggle branches like the one I just hit that didn't appear to me until I was right in front of it. Just gonna get a general lay of the land. See where there's some gaps. There's a line here. Little path. Here's me, right here. That was me. Roll into that. Nice. Could have front flipped over that, but I didn't. Let's see if I can roll over this too. Ooh. Dive into the little crevasse. What we got in here? This looks like Scraggle hell, but I'm gonna try and do some cool stuff in it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me get in it. Woo! Flip over. Woohoo! Yep. That was interesting. Kind of wanted to pop over it, but just kind of brushed it instead. These trees over here I got stuck in once. Yeah, not fun trees to get stuck in. Let's see here. Oop, another tree I can pop over, do a little roll off of. It's a big old strip right here. The ends in trees, you can go and pop over like that. And you got the canal way over here. See if I can follow it for a little bit. There's a bridge gap down here. There's the bridge. Whee! Pop over. Do a little victory roll. Get some battery warnings coming up over there. I roll left too, occasionally. I'm not like a NASCAR driver. There's a bug on my hand. There's a bug on my hand. Ow! Get off, bug. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Can I Matty flip this? No, I don't think that's a good idea. You got anything I can orbit? Here's something I can orbit. Let's see how fast of an orbit I can get going. Woo! Do a punch out of it. Whew, this pack does not like me. I know there's a gap in here. I know there is, somewhere. Whee, there's one. Nice big old open plot back here. Whoa, big tree. Is there a gap in here? Let's take it to Gapplebee's. Whoa! Whoa! That was painful. I think I'm done. Hey, watch this. Most of you think I'm an idiot for doing this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Boink, got it. I caught it in my hand. Now, don't touch the props. Unplug it. It's like disarming a bomb. I did it. All good now. I'm alive. Adios, amigo.